Well, for some of you who've never seen a deer snore, we just tranquilized this deer, and the other big buck came in. We were sitting up the house waiting for this one to fall asleep, and the other buck went after it, almost killed it. So we got down just in time, separated them. From nobody's ever seen deer get tranquilized. It's a lot of fun. Sometimes they don't go out. This one went out. Luckily, went right out and snored loud, just like a regular person. So I thought it'd be exciting to show you guys how deer snore. Well, there you have it. Next buck we're gonna be putting down. He has been tranquilized. It just hasn't went down yet. Sometimes it takes a couple times, and sometimes you gotta wrestle him to the ground. So deer wrestling might be on with this deer. Here we go, excitement.